Jai Sri Ram, surrendering to the feet of Sri Rama. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvatam Padam Lokabhiramam Sri Ramam Bhogyo Bhogyo Namamyaham Karkate Purva Palgunyam Tulati Kananodbhavam Panye Vishvambaram Godam Vande Sri Ranganayaki Andal Tiruvadigalе Sharanam. Day 22 Tirupavai Pashuram 22 Anganmanalathal Abhimana Bhangamai Vandonin Pallikattil Kile Shangamirupal Pol Vandudalap Peidom Kingirivai Chaidadavarai Pupole Shangan Sirochiride Gemmel Viliyavu Thingalam Adityanum Velundarpul Anganirandang Kandu Yangal Mel Kodigel Yangal Mel Shapam Milindelor Gembavai Angan Malalatarjal Abhimana Bhangamai Vandonin Ballikattil Kile Shangamirupal Pol Vandudalap Peidom Kinkinivai Chaidadavarai Pupole Shangan Sirochiride Gammel Viliyavu Tingalam Adityanum Melundarpul Anganirandang Kanda Yangal Mel Kudigel Yangal Mel Shapam Milindelor Yambavai. Meaning, the huge earth, which is having Sapta Dvipams, looking very beautiful. The kings shut their egos or surrendering to your feet to pay respect to you. We are also surrendering to your feet, seeking your refuge and gathered before you. O Lord, please wake up by opening your eyes like two beautiful red lotus flowers blossoming and look at us. When you are opening the eyes, it looks like the bright rising sun and moon. If you look at us, all our sins will be destroyed. Please wake up and let us do our vratam. Om Tvatti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaham Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaham Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Tanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Sri Ram.